In this video, I'll show you how quick and easy it is to create a beautiful, unique keepsake of your cruise. Let's get started. First, select the cruise ship you are on. I'll type in the name and choose it from the drop-down. Next, enter the start and end dates of your cruise. If the AI doesn't find an exact match, it suggests nearby voyages. Just pick yours from the list. Now, choose your favorite map design. There are 9 styles to pick from. Here's a preview of your route. If everything looks right, we'll continue. Now, you choose how you'd like to receive your cruise map. The free mobile and social pure versions are great for sharing on your phone or social media. Social Premium and JPEG give you high-resolution files without a watermark. The PDF is print-ready, perfect for framing at home. And the wall art is our premium option. A museum-quality print, professionally framed and shipped straight to your door. Today, we'll go with wall art. You can include your own personal photos. Let's do it. Choose your preferred orientation. We'll go with landscape today. Now, pick a layout template. Since we chose to add photos, only templates with photo areas are shown. I'll go with this one. Select the size. Matte or glossy finish? I prefer matte. Would you like a frame? Absolutely. Let's choose one. There are several beautiful options, but I'll go with this natural oak frame. A slogan is suggested automatically. You can keep it or write your own. Let me personalize it. Now, add the names of the travelers. I'll enter Anna and David. Finally, upload your personal photos as a finishing touch. You can crop each one to get the perfect fit. Hit Next Review to check everything one last time. If anything needs changing, just hit back. When you're ready, head to checkout. Enter your shipping details and pay via PayPal, credit card, or bank transfer. That's all there is to it. This isn't just a map. It's your story, traced across oceans and ports, filled with moments that will last a lifetime.